Got this Android 10.5-inch screen for my CL63. Picked up a SIM card to go in actually inside of the unit. Always have Wi-Fi, GPS. Pretty excited about that. We're over here in Osan. Osan's fairly known right nowadays for the big army base that's here. Military influence, American influence. We're rolling up on the place. I think that's it right there. Audio. Let's see, looks like the photo. Get rid of this old stereo here. This is advanced technology. We're gonna make this screen wider. This is gonna come out. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get everything out. First problem, I can't get the rear camera to work. He's calling his friend to see if he can make it work. So we found the problem. What you need to do is go into menus, turn your reverse camera on, and then go to your camera section and turn it OEM, not aftermarket. We had it on aftermarket. You can't do that. You gotta have it on OEM.
Good job. Nice.
Yeah, I ordered that for a while. Great. Damn, this is cool. Oh, good, good to see. So cool. I'm back at the shop. There was a ringing noise when the car was on. When you turn the car off, there's no ringing noise. Word to the wise, if you buy these Android sets, you might want to buy a filter. Soldering the wire, try to make it good. Let's see what happens. Vega, gotta watch out for the filter, no good. Buy your filter, otherwise you get engine noise coming back in. It's the navigation going on, it's freaking fantastic. It's big as, they're not perfect, but they work.
A soldier.
Peace.